Hi friends, how are you all today? I am Jishnu, and so today we are going to see how to clip mask, how to insert an image in a shape. You can choose rectangle, ellipse, polygon, or any shapes you can create shapes using pen tool also. Okay, so here I am choosing ellipse. Okay, ellipse. You can press O also. Okay, I have chosen ellipse here. Just draw a shape using ellipse here. Okay, so I have drawn a shape here. Okay, ellipse shape. So that part is done. So here in this shape we have to insert an image. How will we insert an image here? It is easy process. Just think how we can insert image here. Okay, you will go to you will insert an image to this. Okay, like you will go to plugins and you will choose photos from Unsplash, wherever. Okay, so I have chosen a photo here. So an image is inserted here. Okay, but this image cannot be moved. It is already in one shape. Okay, it is already merged layer. Okay, here you can see the image and the shape is merged now, so you cannot move this image alone. You cannot zoom this image. I mean, you cannot increase the size of this image. You cannot just move this image inside that shape, so it is difficult. Okay, so here we are going to see how to clip mask image which is movable in this shape. Okay, so I have created a shape here. It is ellipse. Then if you have downloaded images from Google or whatever sites, you can just put that image here. Okay, so now I am taking the image from my plugins. Okay, here I am choosing Unsplash for images. So here you can see, okay, we'll choose architecture. Let's see. Yeah, we have got one image. Okay, so sometimes we need only a few part of this one, maybe this part. Okay, or maybe this part. Okay, see, we'll see how to do this one. Okay, I'm just decreasing the size. Okay, so there is one image is here. Okay, one circle is here. I mean ellipse. Okay, whatever. So I have to create a copy of this ellipse. For that, select that ellipse and press Command C, Command V. Copy, paste. In Windows, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. Ctrl V. V for victory. Okay. So if you press Ctrl C, V, here you can see two ellipses. Okay, that is a copy of original one. And now select all layer. Okay, here you can see the ellipse 2, that is our copy of original ellipse, and the image is selected. Okay, now you are going to see the magic. Right click and select use as mask. Here you can see the thing. Did you find it? Yes, press click on use as mask. Use as mask. Now it is clip mask. Okay, now the image is in a shape. Okay, now you can easily move this image just pressing the image layer. Here you can see did you see that? Yeah, that one. Just press on that image layer and just drag to the shape. Okay, if you want to the decrease the size also you can do. Okay, if you want this portion or down portion, you can just move. It is easily movable in a shape. Okay, otherwise you, when you just insert a shape and just insert an image, you cannot move this one like this, and even you cannot zoom the image. But if you done this way, you can move the image easily. You can just drag the image wherever you want. I mean, if you want see this portion alone, you can just drag here. Okay, now this portion is only visible in this shape. Like this you can create shapes using pen tool at different shapes, and you can experiment it. It's so beautiful, it is so easy. Okay, if you don't understand, don't worry, just comment, I will reply. Okay, so today's session is that's it. Okay, so subscribe, like, share, love. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much friends for supporting my videos. Thank you so much.